Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a new order that I just got in from Queenacraft, and this is their fun little welcome to our company, where you can find them and how to reach them if you have any questions or concerns. And I'm just going to look and see here. There's a whole bunch of different items that they have available from this company. So the company reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in sampling some of their products. So these are the things that I chose from their website. I have never seen these anywhere where I live. They're these really beautiful sequin ribbon, and I got them in purple, like a pearl, and pink. So those are fun. I have seen a lot of people work with those kinds of ribbons. I've never seen them here. Oh, they've given me a little gift. I was like, this isn't something that I had ordered. So it's a cute little notebook that you could throw in your purse. It's got fun little grapefruits on it. That's neat. So the main thing that I was interested in when I ordered from their site were these two die sets, and these dies have that stitched edging around them, which is one of my favorite details in a die. And they are nesting circles, and like these, I'm not even really sure what to call these patterns here, but I'm going to make some fun projects with them. These are just some stickers that really intrigued me. I wanted to see what they looked like. They have actually these sticker sets in a variety of different colors, the same kind of design, and this really appeals to me, the way that you have this like the writing over top with a little water color underneath, and it was something just spoke to me about these. I wanted to give those a try. I thought they would be fun for like the side of my planner or something. Then they also have a lot of sequins, and I picked out this fun sequin mix because I wasn't really sure which sequins to go with, and I thought, well, sequin mix are always a fun thing to get, and so I'll try these colors and see what they look like, and they're really pretty colorful set. So I am going to create some projects, and I'll be back to show you what I create. Okay, so we're going to start off with these dies here, these nesting dies, and I'm going to show you some of the things that I created. So here are two samples of little nesting shaker pockets that I created. I used the sequin mix that I ordered from them, and it matches perfectly with the Paige Evans coloring of things. I thought that when I saw it, and I just couldn't resist. So what I did was I took two different sizes. I made a little shaker with this clear plastic, and then I mounted that on top of paper to back it, and then I decorated on top with ribbons, charms, and stickers. Same thing for this one here. I actually cut all of these different papers. This is all created with my SCT Sampler, and if you don't know what that is, I'll have some videos at the end for you so you can see. It's like a really good subscription as well that I subscribe to. So that's these dies, and I'm going to show you one thing that you can make specifically with these little embellishments. And here is a card that I created. So what I did here was I cut out this largest size. I went a couple of sizes down to do the pink one, and I actually cut it out from inside, so you could pop this up or set it in. And then I put my shaker pockets and some embellishments over top, and then I just adhered that onto a card. So you can see how you can use these little embellishments to create a whole wide variety of things. You can use it to make a card, a memory decks, a scrapbook layout, a happy mail project. So anyway, so that's some fun things that I have created there with the sequins and those nesting dies. Okay, so then the next nesting dies that I've used were the circular ones. And I just took 2 sizes of circular dies and I cut out this 2 nesting patterns of paper. I popped them up on foam dots, this one here, and then I just layered some embellishments on top to make these really fun little embellishments that, again, you could put on a card or on a project, a memory decks. All these other little projects are trying to sneak in. I'm getting to you guys. There's the wonderful. So this is, I make a lot of happy mail, and I love to send little handmade embellishments to my paper crafting friends. So that's something that I could do. And what I'm thinking I might even do actually is just take one of these little vellum envelopes and come in and tuck one of these inside of here. Open it up first so I don't wreck any of the embellishments because they're so 3D. Tuck it in there. And then I've got a cute little packaged happy mail to send off to a friend. And you could even put one on the outside. You could clip one on the outside, have one on the inside, that sort of a thing. So that's those. And then the last thing that I created were with these fun sequin ribbons, I guess you would call them. And you can see here I've made these little pocket embellishments. I absolutely love the texture that it adds to have something shiny and like with a string in it. It just really makes a project when you have all sorts of different layers of texture. And then it's cute because it just like tucks in behind. I've made these butterflies all out of this Paige Evans collection, and it just falls in neatly behind there. And you can see all the different ways that I've used them here. So I did purple on the ones that had more purple in them. And then I did the pink where it had more pink. Really pretty. Just beautiful little touch here. Just clipped in with one of these fun little clothespins. And then this one was the white one. So you can see all 3 different sequin colors. This one matches nicely. See all the 3 different sequin colors here. And they just add like a really fun sparkly element to any project. And that's just an example of how you could clip something up onto that. So that's fun. So I had a lot of fun working with all of these. I mean, it's endless possibilities. I was even thinking of making like some shaker pockets out of vellum, where I would make like a paper background, cut a vellum piece, stitch them together, and do something like that. Same thing with the circle ones. I was thinking that I could cut out a circle and then put a tulle over top with the sequins hiding underneath, and then stitch that into place. So I just wanted to give you a quick little sample of all the different things that you could create with these wonderful products. I will leave a link down below for Queenacraft, and you can check out their website. They have so much more than what I have just brought in here. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.